What if you could completely transform your backyard with just a few pieces of wood, some basic tools, and a weekend? Today, we're looking at 10 amazing backyard woodworking projects that are practical, affordable, and perfect for DIYers. From outdoor furniture to clever storage ideas, these projects can make your backyard look better while actually giving you something useful. Let's get started! Project 1. DIY Outdoor Bench. First up is a classic DIY project, the outdoor bench. This is one of the easiest ways to add useful seating to your backyard without spending a fortune. Start with outdoor-friendly lumber, build a strong frame, and take your time sanding the edges. Finish it with an exterior stain or paint, and you have a simple bench that can completely change the look of your outdoor space. Project 2. Wooden Planter Box. Next, give your backyard some life with a simple wooden planter box. Cedar works especially well for outdoor projects. Build one large box or create several smaller planters and arrange them around your patio. You can use them for flowers, herbs, vegetables, or just about anything that adds a little more green to your backyard. Project 3. Outdoor Coffee Table. A backyard seating area isn't complete without a good outdoor coffee table. This design is simple enough for a beginner and can be customized to almost any size. Leave small gaps between the tabletop boards for a clean outdoor look, then protect the finished wood with an exterior finish. Project 4. Outdoor Storage Box. Here's a project that solves a real backyard problem: storage. A wooden storage box gives you a place to keep cushions, toys, gardening supplies, and other outdoor items. Add a hinged lid and weather-resistant hardware, and you'll have storage that's both practical and attractive. Project 5. Vertical Garden. Don't have a lot of backyard space? Go vertical. A wooden vertical garden lets you grow plants while using very little floor space. Add several shelves to a tall wooden frame, and you've created the perfect spot for herbs, flowers, and small vegetables. Project 6. Adirondack Chair. Now let's step up the difficulty with a backyard classic, the Adirondack Chair. Its wide armrests and angled back make it perfect for relaxing outdoors. The key is getting the angles right. Take your time with the cuts, smooth every edge, and finish the chair with a quality exterior coating. Project 7. Privacy Screen. Need a little more privacy? Build a wooden privacy screen. A simple frame with evenly spaced slats can separate your patio from the rest of the yard, hide outdoor equipment, or create a more private seating area. Add climbing plants, and the screen becomes part of the landscape. Project 8. Firewood Rack. If you have a fire pit or outdoor fireplace, this next project is incredibly useful. A simple wooden firewood rack keeps your logs organized and off the ground. It's a small build, but it can make your backyard look much cleaner and more organized. Project 9. Outdoor Bar. Ready for a bigger project? Build your own backyard bar. Start with a sturdy wooden frame and add a solid countertop. Shelves underneath give you space for outdoor dishes and accessories. Customize the size to fit your patio, and you'll have an entertaining space that looks far more expensive than it costs to build. Project 10. Backyard Pergola. And finally, the biggest project on our list, a backyard pergola. 4 sturdy posts, strong horizontal beams, and evenly spaced rafters can completely transform an outdoor space. Add climbing plants or outdoor fabric for extra shade, and you've created a dedicated area for dining, relaxing, or entertaining. For a permanent structure, always check your local building requirements before you start. So there you have it, 10 backyard woodworking projects that can completely transform your outdoor space. From a simple planter box to a full backyard pergola, there's a project here for almost every skill level. Which one would you build first? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more woodworking projects, DIY builds, and weekend ideas.